Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So the bears were in control today, and this is currently factoring in after hours action, and we're seeing a big bullish response. Netflix up 19-20% on earnings. We got Amazon up over $7 after hours with some response. We've got SPY up 40 cents. So it's a good start to the earnings season, and we'll see if that carries over, and a shift in sentiment might be in store here. But it was a very, very low volume day here for SPY. And we did close down near the low, so this lower wick isn't going to be here on the daily chart tomorrow when they adjust and don't factor in the after hours action. So it is a weak close. The lower Bollinger Band on the daily is holding as support, and we're looking down at the low of last week, 211.21, as support. But we're going to see if this is going to be a little bit of a sentiment change, and maybe we see some bulls show up tomorrow. This key 100-day moving average resistance, 213.08. We'll see if the bulls can regain that level. But we're basically looking at the range right now set between Thursday and Friday. 211.21, 214.69, and I expect to trade within that range for the next few days as we see a tightening equilibrium being reached. The weekly time frame is currently backtesting and rejecting from the middle Bollinger Band resistance of 213.35. That's a very key level that was lost last week, and now it's acting as resistance if the bulls show up, and if we can get back above that level, 213.35, we'll look for the bulls to potentially make another attempt at the 10-week moving average, which is in the upper 214 range. So, ignoring the after-hours earnings from Netflix today, the bears were absolutely in full control. And actually want to show this hourly chart on SPY. Let me pull it up here real quick. Forgot how important that was on Friday and again into today. So let's flash over here. And we've got the hourly chart. We've got the key 20-period moving average support holding 3 candlesticks, and then we lost it at the end of the day Friday and then back tested and rejected. Look at this level. This is what I was pointing out all morning. 1, 2, 3 rejections. Bears affirming their control and then rejecting from it here after hours at 212.81. If that becomes support tomorrow, we'll be looking at the high of today, 213.39 as the next resistance. But this 20-period hourly, after seeing that key support on Friday and then back to resistance and key resistance today, that's a key level to keep an eye on to see if the bulls have any upside momentum. And if they can't get over that level, we know they are still very weak. So we'll see how these earnings affect the overall sentiment of tomorrow, and we'll check back in after tomorrow's trading to see how it all played out. Thanks for tuning in. Have a wonderful night.